If you solve this image captcha, you earn 45p to 89p in 4 seconds. If you solve this reCAPTCHA V2, you earn 8p to £2 45p for 12 seconds. And if you solve G-test captcha, you earn between £2 45p in 10 seconds. And if you solve this Cloudflare turnstile, you earn between $1 2 pence. If you also solve Amazon captcha, you earn $1 2 cents. And it goes on and on. So in today's video, we're talking about getting paid to solve captcha. I know you're going to say, yeah, how much will I get paid? It doesn't really pay well, but it goes a long way. So people have been asking me legit websites that pays you to solve captcha. Then I found this one for you. If you're interested, watch till the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and drop a comment. Let me know if you try any after watching this video. All right, let's get back into the video. So the website is called CAPTCHA.com or CAPTCHA.com. Okay, this website pays you to solve captchas. So they offer captcha entry work, captcha typing job, work from home, earn money without registration fees. Okay, like I showed you guys, if you work for them, you could earn all this money that you're seeing on my screen. And if I keep showing more, it goes on and on. So you can see image captcha, reCAPTCHA V2, Acos Labs captcha, G-test captcha, Cloudflare turnstile, Amazon captcha, reCAPTCHA V3, reCAPTCHA V3, reCAPTCHA Enterprise, reCAPTCHA V2 Cowback, reCAPTCHA V2 Invincible, Slider captcha, Math captcha, Cappy Puzzle captcha, Lemon captcha, Normal captcha, Text captcha, Rotate captcha, Click captcha, Audio captcha, MT captcha, Data Doom captcha. Guys, the list keeps going on and on. Even Chinese captcha, Russian captcha is also here. So how do you get about it? You're going to register to start earning. Okay, they have 247 support to help you. So you're going to click on start earning, which will take you to this page. So this is part of the sign up phase. You're going to select your worker because you're not a customer. Okay, I want to earn money entering text from the images and withdraw my earnings to my online wallet. So I have signed up using my Google account. You can either sign up using your email address or your Google account. I signed up using my Google account. This is my dashboard here. So if I make money, it's gonna come here, end for a month, end yesterday, end today, pending transfers, pending payouts. So for the payout methods, they use web money, payer, ATM, Bitcoin Cash, USDT. So this is your best shot for those that are in Nigeria. Guys, when I was in Nigeria, I used to cash out using ATM. It's quite easy. Okay, very easy to use. You can withdraw your money and cash it out in Naira or any currency you want to. But yes, I have been cashing out using ATM. So this one is friendly for my Nigerian and African brethren, my Ghanaian friends. This one is perfect for you. So you need to come and fill in your information properly, your name, your full name, last name, phone number, everything. Put it correctly. Do your two-factor authentication, okay, so that your account will not be hacked. Yes, I'm not going to do that here. For privacy's sake, I will not do my personal details online here. So they have a software that you can install on your Windows, your Android. You can also solve captcha using their Telegram bot, whichever one you want. You just go and click on start work. So this is my dashboard proper. Okay, this is my dashboard proper. You can see people that have earned a lot of money so far solving CAPTCHA. So they are giving you a training. So you get started with season 1, complete the training and take part in the new season. Get awards, increase your chances with boosters or quests. Okay, check out their rewards here. Check out their leaderboard here. So you can just go ahead and click on start earning like so. So let's try it. So it says don't type space between symbols. So you need to be able to distinguish between O's and zeros. Okay, so this one is a 7-character that needs to be written in a lowercase. So you can do your practice lesson here, your practice text here. So I was able to complete my training. Yeah, so if you fail, you're going to start all over again. You start all over again. I was able to complete my level 1, all right? You can finish your training. It's about 14. You're going to be able to do all of them. And they also give you time to complete it. So if you fail, you start again. You need to finish the training. It's about 5. I've done 3 on this video, so you need to complete the 5. It will time you. It gives you numbers to type in a row. It gives you letters to type. He mixes it up, 4 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters for you to type. And the more you type, the more you earn. So I thought to share with you. The reason I'm sharing this is because you can actually earn whether you're in Nigeria and also cash out. So if you sign up and you want to withdraw, you want to learn how to withdraw with ATM, then drop in a comment. I'll teach you how to withdraw your money through ATM. Easy, straight forward, and you can also withdraw the money into your local bank account. So no more PayPal problems, no more PayPal wahala. You can actually cash out using ATM into your bank account, local bank account. So let me know your thoughts if you're going to try to CAPTCHA. I'll leave the link for you in the description. Sign up, start earning. Don't say I did not show you a way to make small money online. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and family, share with your younger ones in secondary school. They will earn some money in dollars through this to CAPTCHA. All right, I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.